This is a quick video about using the fraction method or the decimal method to find the percentage of a number. So we may be given a sum such as find 33 1/3% of 3,828. And really we want to figure out whether we're going to use the fraction method or the decimal method. Well, the handiest way is if it's a common fraction, so one that you know quite quickly. So you know that 33 1/3% is 1/3. So in that case then it's generally easier to use the fraction method. So 1/3 of 300 or 3,828. Well, let's divide that by 3, so 3828. Start with the leftmost number, divide 3 into 3 is 1, 3 into 8 goes twice with the remainder of 2 which we carry across, 3 into 22 goes 7 times with the remainder of 1, and 3 into 18 goes in 6 times. And so our answer is 1276. However, if we are given a sum such as find 43% of 15,238. Well, 43% is, you could put it over 100 and you could divide across, but it can be just simpler to use the decimal method. So we know that to change the percentage into a decimal, you divide by 100, which gives you 0.43. And now we're just going to multiply 1,000 or 15,238 by 0.43, 0.43. Okay, so 3 eighths, 24, 24 carry 2, that's 9, that's 11, put only 1 and carry 1, 3 twos are 6, and 1 is 7. 3 fives are 15, put down your 5, carry a 1, 3 ones are 3, and 1 is 4. Pop in our 0, onto our next line, 4 eighths are 32, put down your 2, carry your 3 this time, 4 threes are 12, and 3 is 15, put down your 5, carry your 1, 4 twos are 8, and 1 is 9, 4 fives are 20, put down your 0, and carry your 2, 4 ones are 4, and 2 is 6. Now we just add them as normal. 0 and 4 is 4, 2 and 1 is 3, 5 and 7 is 12, put down your 2, carry 1, that's 10, that's 15, put down your 5, carry 1, that's 5, that's 6, and now we need to place the decimal point. So go back to the sum, and how many numbers are after the decimal point in the sum? Number 2, come in 1 and 2 spaces, and our answer is 6,552.34. And that's just a common way of thinking about when to use the fraction or decimal method. So if they're the common fractions, such as 5%, which is 1/20th, if it's 50%, which is a half, 25%, which is a quarter, and 87.5%, which is 7/8, so etc. In those cases then it's generally better to use the fraction method, and then when it's uncommon fractions, maybe such as 9%, 43%, 51%, all of those, it can be just easier to turn them into decimals and use the decimal method. Okay, so that's just a quick video about using the fraction method or the decimal method to find the percentage of a number.